Are you noticing rapid energy drops and sudden aging signs after 50? Harvard research proves loss of muscle mass accelerates biological aging significantly. Our targeted daily protein and mobility protocol reverses this decline rapidly. You can rebuild vital strength and stamina in just 7 days. Have you noticed sudden loss of strength after turning 50? You are not just getting older. Your muscles are shrinking fast. Mayo Clinic research shows adults lose 8% muscle every decade. This process accelerates rapidly once you cross the 50-year mark. Your metabolic rate slows down as your total muscle mass drops. Fewer active muscle fibers mean higher overall systemic inflammation daily. Higher inflammation causes deeper skin wrinkles and persistent daily fatigue. Most adults blame bad genetics or simple natural aging for this. Now, here is the part most people get wrong completely. Taking expensive collagen supplements will not fix this underlying problem. Without active muscle stimulation, supplement nutrients simply pass right through. Your body requires direct mechanical tension to trigger real protein synthesis. Physical activity sends strong biochemical signals directly to your cells. These internal signals force your body to rebuild damaged tissues fast. You must trigger muscle growth through specific targeted daily movements. Simple daily walking is great, but walking alone is not enough. You need basic resistance exercises to protect your vital biological age. Simple body weight movements stimulate deeper muscle fibers exceptionally well today. Proper nutrition acts as the primary fuel source for this restoration. Consuming protein at every meal keeps your metabolic engine burning bright. Protein provides key amino acids needed to rebuild daily cellular structure. Pairing movement with proper protein intake creates rapid muscle recovery naturally. Subscribe the Vital 50 Plus now for more science-backed longevity and health strategies. In the next 60 seconds, I will visually reveal our protocol. Wait until you see why standard cardio workouts fail for longevity. Standard cardio workouts often fail to stop rapid biological aging. Long-distance running can actually elevate cortisol and break down muscle. NIH studies confirm progressive resistance training triggers optimal growth hormone release. Growth hormone repairs aging cellular structures and rebuilds lost tissue fast. You must challenge your major muscle groups 3 times every week. Focus on foundational movements like squats, wall push-ups, and bodyweight rows. These compound exercises activate multiple large muscle groups simultaneously today. Activating large muscle groups releases anti-inflammatory signaling proteins called myokines. Myokines circulate through your blood to protect against age-related decline. Now, here is the part most people get wrong. Lifting extremely heavy weights is not necessary to achieve great results. Consistency and proper form matter far more than total heavy weight. You must perform each movement slowly with full control through range. Aim for 10 to 12 controlled repetitions per exercise set daily. Pair this strength routine directly with an optimized daily protein intake. NIH guidelines recommend 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Protein provides essential leucine amino acids to trigger vital muscle synthesis. Advanced booster tip: drink 20 grams of whey protein before workouts. Consuming leucine-rich protein 30 minutes prior doubles muscle protein synthesis. This timing hack maximizes cellular repair during your actual exercise window. Eating sufficient protein also prevents muscle breakdown during restful sleep hours. Proper sleep gives your body time to restore vital energy reserves. Deep sleep releases peak amounts of natural repair hormones every night. Wait until you see why high-protein diets often fail without movement. High-protein diets often fail without proper daily movement strategies. Consuming protein without muscle tension simply stores excess calories as fat. PubMed studies show combining movement with proper nutrition optimizes cellular health. This powerful combination lowers your real biological age year after year. You must support your physical training with consistent daily recovery habits. Hydration plays a massive role in maintaining cellular volume and energy. Drinking adequate water keeps joint cartilage lubricated and prevents painful stiffness. Dehydrated muscle cells lose their structural integrity and break down faster. Now, Here is the part most people get wrong completely. Drinking plain water alone does not hydrate your deep muscle tissues. Your body needs key essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Electrolytes help transport vital nutrients directly into your active muscle cells. Add a small pinch of unrefined sea salt to your morning water. This simple lifestyle habit dramatically improves cellular hydration and daily stamina. Chronic high stress levels will undo all your hard fitness work. Elevated cortisol breaks down lean muscle mass and speeds up aging. Practice 5 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing every single day. Deep breathing lowers stress hormones and promotes optimal cellular repair naturally. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality restful sleep every night. Sleep allows your heart rate to drop and restores nervous system function. Protecting your sleep schedule preserves your natural hormone balance long term. Consistent daily habits create cumulative health benefits over your entire lifespan. You can take complete control of your aging process starting right now.